Here's how to backup and restore WhatsApp messages on your Android phone. Go to your WhatsApp, tap this three dot, open settings, open chats, scroll down, tap on chat backup. Add and select the Google account in which account you want to backup your Snapchat. Tap on automatic backups and you can schedule your automatic backups from here. To backup, including your WhatsApp videos, make sure to enable this option. Now all you have to need, tap on backup and your WhatsApp messages will backup. Now let's see how to restore them. So I just uninstalled my WhatsApp app, and for tutorial purpose I'm reinstalling the WhatsApp Messenger to show you how to restore messages. Once installed, I'm opening my WhatsApp app, tapping on agree and continue, allowing notification and selecting a number for my WhatsApp account, tapping on next, tapping on continue, allow all permissions. And we can see if you previously backed up to your Google storage and want to restore it, give WhatsApp permission to check your Google account for backups. Just tap on give permission and choose a Google account in which Google account you backed up your WhatsApp messages. So after selecting the Google account, if you have any backup, just tap on continue and all of your WhatsApp messages will be backup from your will restore from the specific Google account. Thanks for watching.